What if I told you there's a form of money that isn't controlled by any government, doesn't require a bank, and can be sent anywhere in the world instantly? That's cryptocurrency. Today, we'll break it down so you understand what it really means and why it matters. I'm sure you've heard about things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and you're wondering, what are all these things? Well, they are called cryptocurrency, crypto for short. Let me break it down. A long time ago, people traded cows, yam, rice, give me yam, barter system. Then we got gold, then moved to paper money, and eventually bank transfer cards. But every system had their own problem. Middlemen controlled everything. Even till date, banks could freeze your money, government could print too much money causing inflation. Sending money across borders can be very expensive and slow. Then in 2008, something crazy happened. A mysterious person or group named Satoshi Nakamoto, CZ, said it's an AI from the future. They released Bitcoin, a type of money that did not need the banks, government, or middleman. It was decentralized, digital, and uses cryptography for security. Don't worry, I'm going to explain the grammar. So what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on a decentralized network called blockchain. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on the blockchain, a decentralized digital ledger, and this means every transaction is transparent, secure, and cannot be changed. Example: imagine a public notebook where everyone can see the transactions, but no one can erase it after. No single entity controls cryptocurrency. Instead, thousands of computers called nodes verify transactions. So they use cryptography for security. Transactions are encrypted for security, and this prevents fraud and ensures that only the rightful owner can access their cryptocurrencies. Now, there are different kinds of cryptocurrency, but we'll not go so deep into that. Number one is Bitcoin. This is the first and the most valuable cryptocurrency, often called digital gold. Of course, the likes of Litecoin and co followed it. Then we have Ethereum, which supports smart contracts, enabling people to build what we call decentralized applications. In case you've heard the word DABA, it actually means decentralized applications, things like NFTs, DeFi, and so on. Then we have the next one, who are called the stable coins. These ones are like the digital dollars, of course, USDT, USD. Of course, there are also stable coins attached to other world currency. For instance, there's CNGN that has the Naira, so it's like the stable coin Naira for the Nigerian economy. Okay, so these are cryptos tied to real world currencies like dollars, Naira, and so on. Then we have altcoins. Usually in the crypto industry, we say altcoins are coins that are not Bitcoin. Examples: Solana, XRP, Cardano, and various others like that. So there are various cryptocurrencies with unique features that you must know. And this is me welcoming you to the day one of 30 days of crypto and Web3 series, where I'll be expanding and showing you what you need to know about crypto, Web3, and how you can profit from it. Join me tomorrow for day 2 as I share with you why crypto matters. Don't forget to share this video, like, follow, and leave a comment on this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.